Okay, now we want to start a website with Python, so for free using Flask. So first thing we are going to do is to use glitch, and let's go to glitch.com. You have to create an account on Glitch. I got mine here, and now let's create a new project and let's choose Hello Web Page. It will take some time. Okay, now I want to rename it, this one, and let's call it Flask Tutorial. Okay, now we will find this index.html when we go and write flasktutorial.glitch.me. That is this page here that we are going to change now. And we want to use Python. So let's create a new file called start.sh. In this file we are going to start Python with Python run or something else, run.py. Okay, now let's create the run.py file. That is a Python file that is going to start everything. And so for we're gonna from Flask import, we get to import the Flask class and the render template class. Then we are going to create an app instance of Flask with name. Okay, with name for now. Then we are going to create a new file called requirement.txt, and we are going to write in it the module that we need, that is Flask and gunicorn. Okay, now into our rumpy we are going to write if name equal main app.run. Okay, let's see. Now we haven't find our, okay, because with Flask we must define, for example, homepage and return let's see h1 hello world. This will be the page, and welcome to my blog. Okay, now we got to define the root for this. That will be the, with this slash, it means that is the home page. Here it is. Hello world and welcome to my blog. So this is how you can create your this is a view, so this is a page. You could create another page like info. Return I am Giovanni, and in this return here we could return a multi-line string here with the link to info. And the same here. Okay, we got this link here, and here we go into our info page. So we created two pages, and okay, there is this thing here. Okay, and if you go home, you go to the main page, and if you go here, you go to here. Of course, you could use render template to go here and use this file instead, and let's put this into templates, into the templates folder, and instead of this page here, even if I want to, okay, let's copy this code, let's go here and let's put it in here. Now we can do something else, and we can use render template index.html. Let's go here. Hi there, hello world. You see, now the home page is not anymore. It's in here in the index.html. Hi there, we changed the way to do the home page. Okay, sometimes it takes a while to empty the cache memory, even if we go, even if the cache is disabled. But we can also do Ctrl F5. Nothing happens, but you see that is this. It's the version that we had before. Okay, as you can see, we got hi there and there, welcome to my blog, and the link to iRef. Okay, in a minute or two it will this will change and we'll be back here. So that's all. It's very easy to create, use Python and Flask to create a page. If you want to see what is the power of Flask, the power you can do things like, for example, you can create a dictionary here with your posts, a list of dictionary, and in each post you can put in the title, and you can see how to use Python in English, and then the body. First, you need an account on glitch.com. Then you create a new project. Okay, now for example, let's create another one. The title, your first Flask blog. And the body of the second post will be first of all create a start.sh file with python run.py in it. Okay, now that we created this post, you can see here that we can insert inside of this posts equal posts. Then if you go in the index.html, you can go here and write a tutorial to create a blog with Python and Flask on glitch.com, and then instead of writing this, we can go and use this way of creating a for loop for posting posts. Okay, then we end the for loop and for, and here you write with h3, we put the post title here, and then in the paragraph tag we write the post body. Okay, and so this is due to Jinja that is into Flask. So now let's see what happens. Here it is. Okay, a tutorial created with Python, Flask and glitch.com. How to use Python in Glitch. And first you need an account on glitch.com, then you create a project. Your first Flask log. First of all, create a start.hg file with Python rumpy in it. So that's what we have written here in this code. We can also do another thing. We can duplicate this and call it, instead of index, you can call it template. Okay, template HTML, and then don't use this, let's not use this, but let's use block page, and then end block, and inside of index we don't need this, and we don't need all of this, but we are gonna extend templates, template.html. It means that this will be inserted into this template as a block. So let's call it block page, and here end block. So now we can use for every pages this template here, so we don't have to write anymore all this stuff here and here, but we just have to write the content of each page without the common part. And if we wanna change something, we can go in here to change all the pages of our blog. Let's see if it works. Here it is. It's just the same page, and if you see the it's just the same. You see the code, but this time we have used our way to let's just to see if it's the new one. Let's change here to how to create instead of tutorial to create. Here still haven't changed the cache memory. As I said, sometimes it takes a while. And another thing that we can do is to use this style here. We need to put it into a static, and a static folder, and here instead of this we are going to make Okay, with this URL underscore for static equals static and file name equals style CSS, we are going to use this one. We could also have done the same thing, giving it the address, the actual address, but that is our way to do it in Flask. Let's see if this changes. It won't change, but it will change soon, and it will become how to create a block. Okay, that is all for now, and see you in another video next time.